I'm back. It's over. Everything is done. I just need to do a little cleanup and everything will be ready for this epic before and after. Enjoy the reveal. I was not missing mixing mortar. To be honest, it's the worst part of the project.
The birds are chirping and the sun gonna shine. And I tell you one thing's been on my mind. This world we live in, well, it's yours and mine.
I decided to use the 8 inches at the bottom because I had those like left from the other part of the project and I didn't want to waste them, so I decided to use them that way. I'm afraid it's not going to be like solid enough, but there's only one way to know, and it's to do it.
I see a difference, the day will come when all our troubles we've overcome. We climb the mountain just to see the sun. Ooh, transformation has just begun.
Okay, I think I'm done for today. I was able to do a lot. All the first layer here and the layer at the back here. And yeah, it's almost 5 and I don't want to mix some more mortar, so I'm gonna stop here and we'll start back tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good morning. Day 2 for a garden bed. I'm very happy with all the work I was able to do yesterday. My goal for today would be to finish all the structure. I just have 1 layer left to do here, so 1 there, 2 there, and yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that long to do, so let's do this. Beautiful mix. That's what you want.
Yeah, it feels nice, we'll make it believe me. Oh, it's alright, we won't be defeated. Yeah, we're alright, I got that good feeling.
I think that spot for the garden is going to be perfect because it's really it's half and half, like shade and sun. I think it's gonna be perfect. I hope I'm gonna have a lot of herbs and veg. Okay, so now's the time to put some stuff in the garden. I'm gonna start by putting some cardboard at the bottom, and I also have some grass and banana tree that are dead and stuff like that, just to fill the bottom. So I'm gonna put everything in this and I'm gonna put it in the garden. Welcome back. So So I'm gonna add some soil on top of that, and it's all going to push down like compost. So I think it's gonna be perfect. Look at the mess I made. I just got a piece of rebar, and I'm gonna pour some cement inside. It's really hot right now, so I think I'm gonna stop for now. See you soon. I'm back. Today my plan is really simple. First, I want to cover all of the holes. There's some imperfection here, so I want to put like cement so everything fits perfectly and everything is like level. Let's do this. Okay, now I'm ready to start the coating. I'm using this product, and after that I'm gonna need to cover it with paint because it's not that easy to wash. I found that when the paint was not on all the structure, everything was getting so dirty quickly. So yeah, and we'll cross finger that I have enough. Okay, I just put on my paint clothes and I'm going to paint all of the garden surfaces. I'm using this paint. It's easy to clean, that's why I'm using that. I've used that for my patio and all of the rest of the project, and it works really well, and it's, like I said, it's really easy to clean, so I'm gonna go with that. This is the last step. I'm so excited. Can't wait for it to be over. Can't wait to order my soil, to put it in the garden. It's gonna be great. Okay, I'm really excited because I just received new bags of Pebbles, so I'm gonna be able to fill all of my pathway because the pebbles were not as nice as they used to be because I lost a lot with the rain and stuff, so I'm gonna fill that. I'm gonna fill the little place beside the garden, and it's gonna be so good for the reveal. I can't wait. Oh my god, this is so freaking heavy. Let me show you. Look at that beauty. I'm not even sure if I want to put like my barrel anymore, maybe a plant or something. I'm gonna see. Maybe I can put like my barrel outside so it's not visible from the inside. I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna fill all of my pathway with some new pebble for it to be so clean for the reveal. Whew, let's open those bags. So Sunny! Ça va être beau, hein, Sunny? It's gonna look fabulous. C'est beau, hein? I just received the soil. I'm really excited. I'm going to be able to put this all in and I'll be able to film the little reveal that I'm very excited for you to see. It's epic. It's gonna be epic. Those bags are big. Oh my gosh. So I have those 2 pots of spinach, gorgeous spinach, and I'm going to transfer them in the garden for now. It's over. Everything is done. I just need to do a little cleanup and everything will be ready for this epic before and after. Enjoy the reveal.
It's my time, it's your time, it's your time. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime. It's my time, it's your time, it's showtime.
What do you guys think? So here's the final tour. I want to show you every part. Here's my garden. I planted those spinach this week, but there's way more herbs and veg to come. Dining space and lounge area. I really wanted a space where we could have a nice nap and where we could sleep 2 persons at the same time. I'm really obsessed with this bench, seriously. The kitchen with the nice grill where we can have some burgers and other stuff that I don't cook myself. The outdoor shower where I have a shower every morning. I love it here. It's so nice. And there's also a space to wash the dog, which I love after a walk at the beach. And my favorite of all time, the floor. It's really what brings the space together and I'm obsessed with it. So I hope you liked my series. I would love to know in the comment what's your favorite part and what you would like to see in the future. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.